I'm sure you've heard the news. AI is shaking up the way we code, but have you actually seen it in action? Let's dive in and watch the magic unfold. Imagine a world where your ideas become real at the speed of thought. That world is here. AI can now read your intent, generate code in seconds, and supercharge your workflow. Watch as neon lines of logic light up the screen, simple prompts turning into fully formed functions, data structures, even whole apps. With tools like GitHub Copilot, you're not just typing code, you're collaborating with an algorithmic powerhouse. It's not just about speed, it's about power. Highlight the logic, tweak the output, and see your vision come to life. Clean, efficient, ready to run. Split-second suggestions, bug fixes before they even hit your branch. AI isn't replacing developers, it's leveling up your skills, letting you build smarter, faster, and with more creativity than ever. And the result? Your code compiles, your app launches, your model predicts, flawlessly. This is the new frontier of coding, and you're in the driver's seat. Ready to ride the next wave? Hit subscribe, grab the source code below, and let's build the future together.